So we got a clear wood finish for exterior. Oh, look at that, some deodorant. Huh. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Oh my god, a toothbrush and some toothpaste. I can't believe it. My lucky night. Now my breath won't stink. And I won't have body odor because most of the money that you're going to get panhandling is going to be from women. Believe it or not, if you look homeless, you get less money. It's better to look decent and just be down and out. Don't get me wrong, you'll get money for pity too, but you get more money just for being down and out. We'll talk about later. I'm going to brush my teeth. My favorite flavor too. Let's find some deodorant. Oh yeah, one more thing. Make sure you always have your rice cooker. That way, if you do find toothpaste and brush your teeth, you can turn on the water. Because it's always best to have water too when you brush your teeth. Steve signing off for God's TV 2.